For today's video, let me show you how you can use Dubbing AI this 2024. First, let's head to the Dubbing AI website. Download the Dubbing AI for free. After downloading and installing the application, you should see it on your screen. Open the app and go to the voice boxes. In this section, you can view all available voices. Next, let's talk about settings. The first setting is the echo remover and noise cancellation. Turn this on if your audio or microphone quality isn't great. If you want to use voice changer while singing or for other advanced features, enable the Pro mode. You can also adjust the Hear Myself option to listen to how you sound with the voice changer. Select the voice you want and it will be applied. You can also view your favorite voices and clone someone's voice if you have the premium version. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!